Here's a quick rundown of how to use the cloud video backup page in Solink. From this page, I can set the number of days that each camera backs up footage into the Solink cloud, as well as the quality of that footage. I can access this page by selecting the username in the top right corner and then Settings, and then click Cloud Video Backup. Once I'm on this page, I can click Manage to start changing the camera options. So the first thing I'll show you is how to set an individual camera's backup quality and storage days. So we can see here we have this location and we have all of the cameras in that location if we scroll down. And we can see the quality and storage days currently set for each of these cameras. So for example, this backdoor exterior camera here, it's at standard definition quality. We can see the bit rate that it's taking up, and we can see that it's set to backup 1 day of storage at a time. And finally, we can see the estimated storage that all of these options are taking up in our cloud storage space. Now, if I change the quality, we're going to see a few things here. So let's go up from SD to HD. We can see that the bit rate is increased, the upload bandwidth is increased, and then we can finally see how much backup storage that is actually going to impact here. So about 3.4 extra gigabytes. Same with the storage days here. Every time I increase to another day, it's going to take up more storage in the cloud. Now, if I want to apply these settings, all I have to do is click Save, and then this uncommitted cloud video backup will be committed into the cloud. Now, let's say you don't want to have to go through each camera individually. You can actually apply the settings to all of your cameras at once by using the menus up here. So if I select SD, 1 day, and then apply to all, it's applying those settings to all of the cameras that we have available. I can further narrow this down by location or use the filters here. So for example, if I just wanted to apply these settings to one specific location, I can select the location filter here and select the location from the list, then click Apply. And now we can see that it's applying SD and 1 day of backup storage to all of the cameras at this location. Once I'm ready, again, I would click Save to commit those changes. And finally, if I find that I'm using way too much storage here, I can select the upgrade button here to get sent to a page where I can order more storage space.